Hi, Rachel.
Hey.
Are you enjoying your second day off from school today?
Yeah.
Hi, Rachel. Okay, hon, I'm going to go outside for a minute, okay?
Okay.
Who's that little boy behind you?
Josh.
Hey, Josh. Hey, guys. Okay, so I just wanted to come out here for a second and check out and see what everything looked like. And does it look like much? But this morning, when it was time to catch the bus, yeah, they're not really prepared for much snow here in North Carolina, where we are, because it rarely snows, rarely ever snows. So it's more sensible and feasible financially to just, take a day off from school. Anyway, let's take a quick walk, see what we've got here. Oh, and there's a snowman somebody built. Mr. Snowman. So it's a nice sunshiny day, but it's rather cool. But wanted to come out, look around. Okay guys, so we'll see you next time on our Filipino-American journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Turn on the notification bell. Bye.